everyday English conversation practice. At the restaurant. Making a reservation.
Good evening. Welcome to Bella's restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
Hi. No, I don't. Do you have a table for two available?
Let me check. Yes, we have a table by the window. Would you like to sit there?
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
Here's your table. Would you like to see the menu now?
Yeah, please. Also, do you have any special dishes today?
Yes. Our special is grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce.
That sounds delicious. I'll take a look at the menu first.
Sure. Take your time and let me know when you're ready to order.
Thank you. Ordering food.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken with mashed potatoes, please.
Great choice. And what would you like to drink?
I'll take an iced tea.
Would you like any appetizers to start?
Yes, I'd like a bowl of tomato soup.
All right. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Perfect. I'll bring your order shortly. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Asking about ingredients. Excuse me, does this dish contain peanuts?
Let me check. No, it doesn't contain peanuts.
That's great. I have a peanut allergy, so I have to be careful.
I understand. Would you like me to inform the chef about your allergy?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
No problem. Would you like any recommendations for peanut-free dishes?
Yes, I'd love that. What do you suggest?
Our grilled salmon and vegetable pasta are both safe options.
The salmon sounds great. I'll take that.
Excellent choice. I'll make sure it's prepared safely for you.
Asking for recommendations.
Are you ready to order? Or would you like some recommendations?
I'd love a recommendation. What's your best-selling dish?
Our most popular dish is the beef steak with garlic butter.
That sounds delicious. How is it cooked?
We grill it to your preference, rare, medium, or well done.
I'll take it medium, please.
Great choice. Would you like a side dish with that?
Yes, some roasted vegetables, please.
Got it. I'll bring your order shortly.
Thank you. Ordering dessert.
Would you like to see our dessert menu?
Yes, please. What's your specialty?
Our homemade chocolate lava cake is a favorite among customers.
That sounds amazing. I'll have one, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like a scoop of vanilla ice cream with that?
Yes, that would be perfect.
Great. I'll bring it right out.
Thank you. I'm excited to try it.
I'm sure you'll love it.
Dealing with a mistake in the order. Excuse me, I ordered grilled salmon, but I got fried fish instead.
Oh, I'm so sorry for the mistake. Let me fix that for you right away.
Thank you. I was really looking forward to the grilled salmon.
I completely understand. It won't take long to prepare.
That's all right. I appreciate it.
While you wait, Would you like a complimentary drink?
That would be nice. A lemonade, please.
Coming right up. Again, I apologize for the mix-up.
No worries. Thank you for handling it well. Asking for more time to order.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Could we have a few more minutes?
Of course. Take your time. Would you like some water while you decide?
Yes, that would be great.
I'll be back shortly to take your order.
Thank you. Asking about spiciness. Is this dish very spicy?
Yes, it's quite spicy. Would you like us to make it milder?
Yes, please. I prefer less spice.
No problem. I'll let the chef know.
Thank you. Requesting a bill. Excuse me, could I get the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right over.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I'll pay by card.
No problem. Here's your bill.
Leaving a tip. Here's my card for the payment.
Thank you. Would you like to add a tip?
Yes, I'll add 15%.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
You provided great service. Have a good evening.
You too.
Asking about vegetarian options. Excuse me, do you have any vegetarian dishes on the menu?
Yes, we have several options. Our vegetable stir-fry, mushroom risotto, and tofu salad are all vegetarian.
That sounds good. Which one would you recommend?
The mushroom risotto is very popular. It's creamy and full of flavor.
That sounds delicious. Does it contain any dairy?
Yes, it has cheese and cream. Would you like it without dairy?
Yes, please.
I'm lactose intolerant.
No problem. I'll ask the chef to prepare it without dairy.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Would you like anything to drink with your meal?
Yes, just a glass of water, please. A customer complaining about the food. Excuse me, I think my pasta is undercooked. It's a bit too hard.
I'm so sorry about that. Would you like me to have the kitchen cook it a little longer?
Yes, please. I prefer it to be softer.
Of course. Let me take it back to the kitchen.
Thank you. I don't usually complain, but this is a bit too chewy for me.
I completely understand. We want you to enjoy your meal. Would you like something while you wait?
Maybe just some bread. That's okay.
Absolutely. I'll bring some right away.
That's very kind of you. Thanks again.
No problem at all. Your pasta will be ready soon.
Dining with a large group.
Welcome. How many people are in your group today?
We have 10 people. Do you have a table available for us?
Let me check. Yes, we have a large table at the back. Would you like to sit there?
That sounds perfect. Do you offer group menus?
Yes, we have a set menu for large groups, or you can order individually.
Great. Can we take a look at the set menu?
Of course. Here it is. It includes appetizers, muntkuls, and desserts for everyone.
That looks good. Do we all have to choose the same dishes?
No, you can mix and match from the options listed.
Fantastic. We'll decide and let you know shortly.
Take your time. Let me know if you need any recommendations.
Celebrating a birthday at the restaurant. Hi, we're here to celebrate my friend's birthday. Do you do anything special for birthdays?
Yes, we offer a free dessert for the birthday person, and we can bring it with a candle.
That sounds great. Can we also request a birthday song?
Absolutely. Our staff can sing a birthday song when we bring the dessert.
That's perfect. Let's do that after we finish our main course.
No problem. What kind of dessert would your friend like?
Something chocolate, if possible.
We have a chocolate lava cake or a brownie with ice cream.
The chocolate lava cake sounds amazing. Let's go with that.
Got it. We'll bring it out with a candle and some music.
Thank you so much. This will make the celebration extra special.
We're happy to be part of it.
A couple dining out for the first time.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Have you dined with us before?
No, it's our first time here. We've heard great things.
That's wonderful. Would you like to hear about our specials?
Yes, please. We'd love some recommendations.
Our chef special today is grilled salmon with garlic butter sauce. It's one of our best dishes.
That sounds delicious. What about vegetarian options?
We have a fantastic roasted vegetable pasta and a creamy mushroom risotto.
I think I'll go with the roasted vegetable pasta.
And I'll have the grilled salmon. Could I also get a glass of white wine?
Absolutely. Would you like the house white or a premium selection?
The house white is fine.
Great. I'll bring your drinks out shortly. Enjoy your meal.